Okay, boys and girls, let's continue to learn about regrouping. All right, so we're working on addition with regrouping with answers within 1,000. We have used concrete models, drawings, and all of our strategies have been based on place value. All right, now we have also learned how to relate these strategies to the written method. So we started out using our pictures. We used base 10 blocks like here. We used expanded form like at the bottom. And then we moved on to the standard form like we're doing on paper. All right, boys and girls, now I have put this on my board to screencast it because I think it's easier for you guys to see my paper when I'm not in front of the board. So let me know in the private comments if right now, because we are adding, if you like it better for Miss Byers to sit at her desk and talk through the computer this way, or if you would rather me be in front of the board doing it that way. I'll do it whichever way you guys prefer the best. I just know I have a lot of trouble with the moving everything around and getting it where you guys can see it. So I want to do it the way that you can hear and see the best. So you guys let me know which is the best way for you guys to learn. That's the way I'll do it, okay? All right, now we're going to check your work. We are on page 299, so if you need to pause the video to get your work in the correct place. We're on your own. Okay, we were adding 3 two-digit numbers. So we have 24 plus 11 plus 53. And we are working on the standard form. So we're adding our tens column together and our ones column together. Which column do we add first, the tens or the ones? The ones. Okay, now, which two numbers do you want to add together first? Right on this one, it really doesn't matter. We can add any of them. All right, let's add 4 plus 1. So I'm going to circle those two. If you circle two different ones, that's different. That's fine. Because remember, you can add in any order and still get the same answer. So I have 5. 5 plus 3 more is 8. All right, did I have enough to regroup? I did not, so I keep moving on. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 5 is also 8. My answer is 88. Number 12. 33 plus 43 plus 4. Remember, if this confuses you, what do we put in this spot? 0. So you can put a 0 there if it's confusing you. All right, which two numbers do you want to add first? All right, we know a doubles fact here. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. What's 6 plus 4? 6 plus 4 is 10. That is one group of 10 and 0 ones. 1 10, 0 ones. Now I can add. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now remember that 0? 0 doesn't make a difference, so 8. Our answer is 80. All right, I'm going to slide mine up so we can see number 13. 40 plus 17 plus 32. All right, we have 0 plus 7 plus 2. Remember, does that 0 make a difference? No, it's like a grape. We just eat it up. It's just there to be a placeholder. So what's 7 plus 2? 9. Do we regroup? No, we do not. We have to have 2 digits to regroup. All right, now on this side, 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 3 more, 8. My answer is 89. $14. 25 plus 25 plus 25. Well, it's like having 3 quarters, right? All right, so I have the same number repeated. It's like repeated addition. So it doesn't matter which ones you circle, it's still the same thing. 5 plus 5 equals 10. What's 10 plus 5? 15. 15 is 1 10 and 5 ones. 1 10 and 5 ones. Now add on this side. 1 plus 2 makes 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now, what's 3 plus 4? 7. My answer is 75. If you had 3 quarters, it would equal 75 cents. You would have enough for a snack. How about that? All right, number 15. 19 plus 65 plus 24. Start with your ones column. 9 plus 5 plus 4. All right, I immediately see that if I add 5 plus 4, I can make another doubles fact. What's 5 plus 4, guys? 9. Now I can make it easy on myself. What's 9 plus 9? 18. 1 10. 8 ones. Look for those facts that will make your life easier. All right, now I can add on the 10 side. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Now what's 8 plus 2? That's 10. So my 1 would be my hundreds digit. My 0 would be in the tens place. 108. 108. Check your work. Okay, number 16. 73 plus 4 plus 16. And I'm going to put a 0 as a placeholder here so I don't forget. All right, 7 plus 4 plus 6. Do you see a quick fact we can make? What's 4 plus 6? 10. Now, 10 plus 3? 13. 1 10 and 3 ones. Right on this side. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 0 plus 1 equals 1. So what's 8 plus 1? 9. 93. Thumbs up if you got them all right. Great job. All right, now moving up, we did the Go Deeper yesterday about Mrs. Carson and her sandwiches she made for the party. Right now, Sophia, I read this problem to you, and you are supposed to practice at home. Sophia had 44 marbles. She bought 24 more marbles. Then John gave her 35 marbles. How many marbles does Sophia have now? All right. What are we doing? We want to know how many she has now. So we're going to add because she got more marbles, right? All right, so we are going to work with the numbers 44 and 24 and 35. So let's make our column problem. 44 plus 24 plus 35. I'm going to make sure I keep it lined up. Keep my 10s and 1s apart. Okay. Now, let's add. 4 plus 4 plus 5. Do you see something quick we can add? All right, we can add a doubles fact. That's 8. Now 8 plus 5. 13, that's 1 10 and 3 1s. All right, on your 10 side, 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. So what's 1 plus 4? 5. And what's 2 plus 3? 5. What's 5 plus 5? 10. The 1 goes in the hundreds place and the 0 in the tens place. 103. So how many marbles does she have now? 103 marbles is our answer. 103 marbles. All right. Now that's all out of our math packet we're going to do today because you have still been practicing adding two-digit numbers to two-digit numbers and practicing for a grade. So today you're going to need your math packet for adding two-digit numbers. You need to turn to the page that looks like this. It has a star. Let's see, I may have it on here. I'm sorry, guys. I do. Forgot I put it on here. I'm sorry. And I put a star on it. And it says even and odd. Even and odd at the top. And you have addition problems at the bottom. Pause the video and find it. All right. Today, you are going to add first and put your answers. Show your work, your regrouping work. All right, after you have your answers written down, you will go back into Google Classroom and you will have a form there with these questions. You will put in your answers to the questions. Then you're going to complete the rest of the assignment. It says sort your answers, your sums, as even or odd numbers. This is great review. You have a standard for that. All right, so is your answer even or odd? Remember, even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Move it up. So if you want to put it on your paper. Zero, 2, 4, 6, or 8. If you have 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place, your number is what? Is even. All right, if your answer ends with 1, well, the wrong one keeps moving, guys. Your answer ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Your answer is going to be odd. Okay. Don't forget to put those answers in the Google form, because that is where I'm going to take your grade from. I don't have this paper. You have the paper, so make sure you put it in your Google form so I'll have your answers, okay? Do your very best work. For practice today with adding 3 numbers, you will have a set of boom cards where you will practice. You may need a piece of paper to work your problems out, or a dry erase board. All right, so if you don't have that, you may need to get that ready for that part of your lesson. And then we will start back in our math packet tomorrow. All right, do your best work and take your time.